Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Adventures. Today we're taking a trip to Japan, a country known for its rich culinary heritage and mouth-watering dishes. But guess what? You don't need a plane ticket because we're bringing Japan right into your kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken katsu donburi, a beloved Japanese comfort food. This dish is a big bowl of yummy flavors and textures, combining crispy chicken with fluffy rice and savory toppings. And the best part? It's easier to make than you think. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a delicious meal ready in no time. Chicken katsu donburi features crispy golden brown chicken cutlets that are perfectly breaded and fried to perfection. Paired with a bowl of fluffy steaming rice, this dish is a true delight for the senses. Imagine biting into juicy chicken coated in a crispy crust, each bite bursting with flavor. The rice soaks up a special sauce that brings all the flavors together, creating a harmonious blend of taste and texture. This dish is perfect for any day of the week, whether it's a busy weekday dinner or a relaxed weekend meal. It's a fun and delicious way to enjoy Japanese cuisine with your loved ones, right in the comfort of your home. So, are you ready to get cooking? Grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get started on this culinary journey to Japan. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need. This recipe has a few parts, but don't worry, it's all easy to find. For the chicken katsu, chicken breast cut into pieces, eggs beaten, breadcrumbs for a crunchy coating, salt and pepper, to taste * oil, for frying for the sushi rice, water, rice vinegar, sugar, salt for the edamame, frozen edamame pods, *, salt for the spicy cucumber, thinly sliced, rice vinegar, soy sauce, chili flakes. Let's start with the base of our donburi fluffy sushi rice. The foundation of any great sushi dish is the rice, and getting it just right is crucial. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to make perfect sushi rice at home. First, rinse the sushi rice in cold water until the water runs clear. This step is essential as it removes excess starch, which can make the rice too sticky. You might need to rinse it several times to achieve this. Next, put the rinsed rice in a pot and add water. The water-to-rice ratio is key here. Make sure to use the ratio listed on the package, as different types of rice may require different amounts of water. Generally, a common ratio is 1.5 cups of water for every cup of rice, but always check the package instructions to be sure. Then cook the rice according to the package instructions. This usually involves bringing the water to a boil, then reducing the heat to a simmer and covering the pot. Once the rice is cooked, let it rest for 10 minutes with the lid on. This resting period allows the rice to finish steaming and ensures a perfect texture. While the rice is resting, prepare the sushi vinegar. Mix rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small bowl. This mixture will give the rice its signature flavor. Heat the mixture gently until the sugar dissolves completely. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can alter the taste. This is our sushi vinegar, a crucial component for authentic sushi rice. Once the rice has rested, gently fold the sushi vinegar into the warm rice using a rice paddle. Be sure to do this carefully to avoid mashing the rice. Fluff the rice gently with chopsticks to ensure even distribution of the vinegar and to keep the grains separate. And there you have it. Perfectly prepared sushi rice, ready to be the base of your delicious donburi or any sushi creation. Enjoy! Section 4. Crispy delight making the chicken katsu. Now let's make the star of the show, crispy chicken katsu. This Japanese dish is known for its crunchy exterior and juicy, tender meat inside. It's a favorite for many, and today we'll show you how to make it perfectly at home. First, season the chicken pieces with salt and pepper. This step is crucial, as it ensures that the chicken is flavorful from the inside out. Make sure to coat both sides evenly. Next, prepare 3 shallow dishes, one with flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with breadcrumbs. These will be our coating stations. The flour helps the egg stick to the chicken, and the egg helps the breadcrumbs adhere, creating that perfect crispy layer. Dip each chicken piece first in flour, ensuring it's fully covered. Shake off any excess flour before moving to the next step. Then, dip the chicken into the beaten eggs, making sure it's completely coated. Finally, coat it well with breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs onto the chicken to ensure they stick well and form an even layer. Heat oil in a frying pan. The oil should be hot but not smoking. You can test it by dropping a small piece of bread into the oil. If it sizzles and turns golden brown, the oil is ready. Carefully place the breaded chicken pieces in the hot oil. Be cautious to avoid any splashes that could cause burns. Fry until golden brown and cooked through. The chicken should be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Make sure to monitor the heat to avoid burning the breadcrumbs. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan using tongs. Let any excess oil drip back into the pan before transferring it. Place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. This step helps keep the chicken crispy by removing any extra grease. Now our katsu is ready. Serve it with a side of shredded cabbage and a drizzle of tonkatsu sauce for an authentic experience. Enjoy your homemade chicken katsu. Section 5. Vibrant sides. Edamame and spicy cucumber. Let's add some fresh and flavorful sides to our donburi. First, cook the frozen edamame according to the package instructions. Usually this involves boiling or steaming. Once cooked, drain the edamame and toss them with a pinch of salt. Now, for the spicy cucumber. In a bowl, combine the sliced cucumber with rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and chili flakes. Adjust the amount of chili flakes to your liking. Mix well and let the flavors mingle. Our refreshing and spicy cucumber is ready. Section 6. Assembling your masterpiece, Katsu Donburi construction. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, assembling our delicious chicken katsu donburi. First, divide the cooked sushi rice into bowls. Next, slice the crispy chicken katsu into strips. Arrange the chicken katsu slices over the rice. Add a generous spoonful of the spicy cucumber mixture to each bowl. Place a handful of edamame on the side. For an extra flavor boost, you can drizzle some tonkatsu sauce, which is Japanese Worcestershire sauce, over the chicken. Congratulations! You've made your own delicious chicken katsu donburi. You can adjust the spiciness and toppings to your preference. Enjoy!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.